Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can enter a date in Excel worksheet, and that also with the help of VBA. To enter the date in Excel worksheet by the help of VBA, first of all you have to go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and you have to insert a module. I just insert a module, and at first of all I will give the sub procedure in the name of sub e-date. E-date, you can give any name. Okay, now at first of all, now what I will do, I will declare a variable that is dim sh as worksheet set sh equal to active sheet. It will work in all the active sheets. Now I will show you just for a single cell, that is A1. You can do it for the other cell also. Okay, now sh.range, that is A1. I will show you for this cell only, that is A1. Range A1 dot value. What is the value? What will be the value of this particular cell? That is, I will increase the size of this review window. Value equal to format bracket start date comma, and I will give the format that is dd mmm and then yyyy. Okay, and I will close the brackets. I give this format as date. Okay, now if I run the macro, if I run it, then you will see the date in this particular cell. Okay, you can see the date in this specific cell. Today's date, you can see that today's date in this specific cell. I make the size of this cell much bigger so that you can see. I make it center and I make it bold also. Okay, now if I go to Visual Basic and if I run the macro, then you can see today's date. Okay, now instead of dd, if I give ddd 3 times d, and if I then run the macro, then you can see the format of date has changed. You can see the format has changed, that is today is Tuesday and August and 2021. Okay, by this way you can use the date format in Excel VBA. It is very helpful for you. If you want to use this format, you can use this format. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long, and in the next video I will show you how you can use the time, insert the time in Excel worksheet by the help of VBA. Okay, thank you for watching.